How to stream HBO Max on Discord in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you have to open a new browser tab and search for HBO Max and click on the official website and make sure to log into your account of the HBO Max, and then you have to just minimize the tab and open the Discord app from your desktop. And as you can see, so first of all you need to open the settings option, user settings from here, and you just have to uh, click the advanced option under the streamer mode, and you just have to make sure the hardware acceleration this is turned off. If it's turned on your PC or laptop, make sure to turn it off, and then get back to the test server or the server you want to do the stream. So this is my server where I will stream. So you just have to click on the share screen from here, and you just have to check the right screen from here. Check the right screen from here and select the default screen you want to share, and you can just change the settings from here. And smoother video, you can better for readability, you can do that. And let's go for smoother video, and you can also check the resolutions, like it's currently on 720p, that's a free mode, and you have to unlock with Nitro if you want to change it to 1080 440 or the source file. And if you want to also change the frame rate, it's 15 or 30 by default. And if you want to stream on 60 fps, you have to unlock with Nitro. And make sure to hide stream preview, users will not be able to see a preview of your stream before joining, so you have to click on that and just make sure to go live. And when you go live, your screen will be streaming successfully, and then you can just open your HBO Max, and then you can just play the video or the movie you want to share. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.